Hello guys, Lewis here with vicrez.com, and today I just want to give you guys a brief update on new product line of items that we have available at vicrez.com. We're getting more into tires, and we have different sizes of tires available at vicrez.com. This one, for example, is a 305 3520, which are very suitable for the wide bodies, for the Dodge Challenger Chargers, and then for this case, this one would be for the narrow body for those cars. And just wanted to give you guys a brief update, and now you can order your tires at vicrez.com. And as always, we will have different brands available, so that way you can choose whatever brand you would like to order with your wheels.